y'all come on in here and sit down somewhere, because I got something so sweet for y'all today. When I tell you, I had the whole internet thinking that this was my hair. I ain't lying. The whole internet, not half of it. If you want to know what this is, stay tuned. Okay, family, so you see it. This wig is being brought to you by HerGivenHair. I'm excited to try this. I've been seeing these ads all over Instagram, all over TikTok. The girl has been killing it. I was like, I gotta get my hands on it. I must. Okay, so bam, here we are. Let me tell you what this is. This is their new 3-in-1 half wig. I'm wearing their Kinky texture, which is like 4B4C and 16 inches. Okay, this is a machine-made wig. The cap size is a free size because it's so versatile. You know, it's not like traditional wig size. Okay, and I have a natural color. You can get it colored in a 1B, I believe, but I do believe there's an upcharge for that. Now, y'all, I couldn't wait to put this in my head. Now, okay, I know what y'all thinking. Why you got those little coils or little flops on the front of your face? I had some twists going on because I was testing something out, and then I just took it out and commenced to doing this video. Cause y'all know I really don't plan a whole bunch of stuff all the time. So that's just what my hair was looking like at that point in life. That's pretty much it. Okay, so you'll see how easy this is. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest. There's nothing that needs to be said. Oh man, nothing. I had so much fun with this half wig, baby. The styling possibilities, honey, you are just bound by your own imagination, okay? All right. I'm gonna just let y'all see. I'm gonna do 3 styles here and just kind of let y'all see what it's working with. But y'all, it's easy breezy and very secure. You'll notice I put bobby pins in my wig cap. That's because wig caps slide bike when they not right on the top of your dome. Okay? I don't know how y'all keep those caps on without slide. Like, them things will roll up in a minute. So I pin mine down when I'm starting kind of like midway, the top of my crown. Yeah, that's how you keep those bad boys in place. At least that's how I do. Y'all, I could have... Y'all, I was so hyped. I was like, wait a minute. Because, baby, the way I felt like this was my hair, I was like, ma'am, did you just... hello? Is it mine? I don't know now. Y'all, this is ready to go literally in minutes. Very beginner friendly. No lace, no glue, no spray. You can leave your edges alone. We're not donating those bad boys. You understand? Very low maintenance. There's nothing. What mode do you need from it? That's a serious question. What mode do you need from this? What? It is secure, which means you can shout. Now you can fight too, but I don't suggest fighting because that's ugly. That's ugly. But you sure enough can shout. Everything from AMZine to Kojic and everything up in between. You can get good and ignorant thinking about the goodness of the Lord in this, and it's not going anywhere. Y'all look at this. When I tell you I put up a picture, everybody was like, girl, you ain't tell me you had that much hair? I was like, I didn't know. I didn't realize it myself. Y'all, the community in unison was like, ma'am, yes ma'am, come on with the hair. And I was like, thank you, because I couldn't tell y'all right then because I had to wait because I didn't put the video out yet. But I'm telling y'all now, that was this half wig then a mug, okay? The 3-in-1. Now, they have different textures. I'm rocking their Kinky texture, y'all. But they have coily, they have curly, they have Kinky blowout, they have mixed textures. Hello, for the girls like me who have a couple different textures going on in their hair. Yes, they have you covered. Y'all, man, it's over with. So I'm just gonna like play with it. There's 3 different styles I'm gonna show y'all. You can wear it as is. You can wear it as a headband wig. You can wear it as a ponytail. That's why it's called 3-in-1. Did y'all know that? That's exactly why it's called 3-in-1. You wear it in a regular half wig style. You can wear it in a ponytail or a messy bun, a high bun, however you see fit. And you can wear it in a headband style. That, my friends, is the 3-in-1. I'm dropping them. Listen. You get gems when you come over here. You understand? People think it's a game and it's clearly not. That is the reason for the 3-in-1. This blends so well, y'all. I mean, you literally can clip and go. Depending on what style you're doing, this is so easy. It does not get any easier than this. Y'all couldn't tell me anything. Child, my husband thought this was my hair, okay? Do you understand? And my husband has been in the depth of my scalp. You hear me? I ain't lying. That's how natural this looks. But now you got to get a length that kind of, it kind of can match your hair. If you trying to, have that I woke up like this life. You know, if you got a teaspoon of hair and then you get like the 18-inch wig, people probably gonna know. You know what I'm saying? But if if you stick to kind of where your hair can blend well, then it can be a little bit more seamless. I'm just saying, you get what you want. But I'm just saying, it just depends on how you want to govern your life and how you want folks to look. If you want them to think it's your natural hair. Me personally, y'all know I love wigs, so I don't really care if you think it's natural or not. But when it does look like that, it's like, okay. Girl, listen, y'all make sure y'all check the information in the description box because there's a promo code in there. Okay, y'all already know how I get down. Y'all, this style right here, I don't know which way I like it better. Dry, when I first clipped it in and was rocking that fro, or with this little slick up style. Honestly, I don't know. Which one? Y'all tell me in the comments which style y'all like better. The afro or this slick up style? Y'all, it's so beautiful. It blends so well with my hair. I cannot say that enough. Please get y'all hands on this, okay? Get your hands on it. It's definitely worth the hype. It is 100% worth the hype. I wanted to try this so long ago. I'm so glad I finally did. 100% worth the hype, y'all. Big shout out to HerGivenHair. Y'all have done it again. I'm thoroughly pleased. Blow those comments up because I want to know what you think, okay? And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Ooh. Y'all, let's get with this. Because why would we not? Ooh. Y'all be sweet. All right, bye-bye.